Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the JCHope brand RC3006 Cordless Leaf Blower. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, demonstrate it, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so getting this box open, first you're going to find your instruction manual. And lay out the parts here. See them. And we'll go over them. Alright, so this is going to be your main blower here. Easy grip. Charging for your battery, which is going to be right here. Battery is going to be a 21 volt max, 5.2 AH battery, and what we're going to do is, looks like just flip it upside down to get it into the charger. It's got a release in the red in the back, plugs into a regular outlet, so we're going to go ahead and get this charged up. Now the next two pieces go together with clicks. So you'll see that there's adjustability here. To release, we just pull, but it will not come off unless you use that release. Same thing. Make sure you use your release. Alright, so battery is going to go right into the back here. And then you'll have your switches for your on and off. Now this is going to be 6 different speeds. It's going to have a max of I think 150 miles per hour, which is pretty solid. And again, you know, this is going to be just maintaining you know, your yard. Also want to point out the curvature, so when you are here, it will not have to. You're not going to have to bend down or anything as much to get things. Now, there's also an over-the-shoulder, just, you know, simple band with some rubber here so that you can get comfortable, and that will hook in right here and here if you're interested in that. And as mentioned, your battery is just going to clip onto the back like so. So we're going to go ahead and get this charged up and test it out. Alright, I got this thing mostly charged up, so I just wanted to show you the demo quick. So first of all, your on-off. 1 is going to be your lowest, and you're just going to adjust. So 6 is pretty, turn it off real quick. 6 is pretty powerful, so and obviously this thing is not the quietest, so you know, you're gonna hear the noise because the fan's blowing right at you, frankly. So you're definitely gonna, you know, want to take that into consideration, but it's really not that brutal. But anyway, I just want to show you the power now, and forgive me as I'll be walking around a little. So each time it resets to 1. So as you can see, it does a pretty decent job of blowing stuff. It's pretty far from this stuff, and it's still doing a pretty good job. So as you can see, at level 6, it's pretty powerful. Blew this thing pretty far away, which is pretty great. So overall, it's pretty sweet, worth buying, and I love how compact it can be by just taking these pieces off whenever you need to for storage. So thanks for watching.